What's up guys, Josh here with JCS Customs. Man oh man, it's been a minute since I posted a full-length content video, but been super busy and got a lot going on, especially this past month. So getting back into it, I'm gonna start with this video here. It's kind of like a bridge video into the next mod video we got going on. So kids. So yeah guys, my tint, if you look on the channel, I did a DIY tint back in, I had to go look it up because honestly I couldn't remember, back in November of 2021. So this tint's almost lasted 2 years for a cheap Walmart DIY tint. As you see, I got the box here. Well, I had the box, I threw it away, totally not prepared for this. But yeah, so it was a cheap DIY tint through Walmart. I spent 20 bucks on 2 rolls and tinted these windows here on both sides. Did not tint the back or the front. Super cheap, and the kit to do it was $10, so 30 bucks all in all. Now altogether the tint still looks nice, I need to go ahead and say that, but there's always a little turd somewhere every now and then, especially over time. Look at my passenger side, what it has done. So it's going to look like it's creased up, but it's not. This just came here. So just a reminder, this is 20% tint. Look right there. It looks creased, but it's actually, there's a small crease right here you can't really see, but it's like a water bubble got in here and went all the way down. And then same right here. And it's trying to do it right here. Let's see. Oh my God, I need to wash my car. Yeah. So water bubbles work its way down there is what it looks like. As far as peeling along the top, it's not really doing it other than this corner here. It's not bad. So I guess on top of everything else I got going on, I will need to retint my windows or we'll go get it done professionally. Probably go to a place in Mobile called Pro Tint. So let's see. Show you what it looks like from the inside. Look at my stash of boxes. I gotta chop up over there a fan and car seat box and my buddy's bumper. Let's see. Yep, there it is. It's hard to get right there with the seat. You can kind of feel it. It sucks, but you know, it's part of ownership, honestly. Did I expect Walmart tint to last almost 2 years? Absolutely not. This is my daily car. It's been like 110 to 120 degrees with the heat index down here in South Alabama for the past month and a half. This thing bakes in the sun while I'm at work for eight and a half hours a day. So I knew eventually it was gonna mess up. The driver's side looks awesome still, no problems there. Along with the back windows here, quarter panels, they look great still. So yep, gonna get that retinted. This video is kind of just showing you what's happened to that tint after a while, because I knew I had a lot of people ask about durability over time and how much it cost me to do it. Once again, it was like 30 bucks all in all, and just about an hour of my Saturday to do it. So feel free to go check out that video as you see the thumbnail popping up once again there. But yeah guys, I got two more exciting videos coming out. I'm gonna try to put this one out Sunday, put one out Wednesday, and put one out next Sunday. So 3 videos within a week probably, just to get things rolling again. It's time to get out of here because it is freaking hot in here, and it's almost like 8 o'clock and it's still burning up out here. Oh my God, Charlie horse. Like cramp. I don't, off camera. Bro, no lie. I just had the worst Charlie horse I've ever had in my life in the back of my calf muscle here. But yeah guys, so like I said, I got 2 more videos coming out next week. Look forward to those. Got to get the car retinted, but hey, maybe 400 bucks for everything, possibly. Had somebody reach out and say they got quoted like 400 bucks. So I mean, that's not too bad. But and got something else exciting in the works. I'm thinking about starting another business with something else. So yeah, gonna be working on that. And sorry about the lack of uploads as far as full-length content recently. I've been kind of got a lot going on, getting close to my daughter being born. Just got a lot on my shoulders right now and been kind of down with everything. So sometimes all it takes is one person saying one thing. I was down the road the other day and this little kid said, came across this little kid and he said, man, I watch your YouTube videos. I subscribe to you. I love the videos. And that kind of pumped me back up to start doing it again and get my head right. So, and just had another guy reach out over Facebook Messenger and tell me, man, I love the videos. So thank y'all for the kind words that help pump me back up and get my head right. So yeah, guys, until next time, appreciate y'all watching. Keep driving, be safe. Fall is almost here. Thank God. Peace out.